Welcome back to another tutorial. Today, we're going to take some time to take a look at ChatGPT. Here, we are opening up ChatGPT's website. If you already have an account, click Login. Otherwise, sign up. Insert all the details you will need. Don't forget to input your name as well as your date of birth. And click Agree if you agree to the terms and conditions of ChatGPT's website. Once you have successfully signed up, you'll be prompted with a new window. On this window, you'll see 3 sections: Ask Away, Don't Share Sensitive Info, and Check Your Facts. Once you have read each section, you can click on OK, let's go. Now you can see that you're on ChatGPT's main page. Here at the bottom, in the chat box, you can type in a prompt, such as, how can I use ChatGPT? Or how can I use ChatGPT to better my understanding of AI? ChatGPT will then give you a response. Here, you can see. Let's try another prompt. Ask ChatGPT something like, what are the downfalls of ChatGPT? And once again, ChatGPT will then give you a response. Let's start a new chat. Here at the bottom, just above the prompt box, you can see that ChatGPT has a few pre-selected prompts. ChatGPT Starter Guide, compare storytelling techniques, recommended activities, or create a personal web page for me. Here on the top right-hand side of ChatGPT's page, you can see a little upload icon. This icon allows you to copy your conversation thread and send it to someone else. Let's take a look at a few other tools that ChatGPT has to offer. You can click on Customize ChatGPT, and a new window will pop up. Once you have read what the contents is, click OK. Here you can see you are able to customize ChatGPT. You can customize your interactions with ChatGPT. Here you can see 2 questions. The top question says, what would you like ChatGPT to know about you to provide better responses? And on the right-hand side, it shows you a list of thought starters. Here at the bottom, there is a second question. The question is, how would you like ChatGPT to respond? And again, on the right-hand side, you have some thought starters. On the bottom left, you can also see a settings tab. Here, you are able to see the general settings of ChatGPT. First, you have theme. You have the option between the light theme and the dark theme, as you can see over here. Multi-factor authentication. You can enable this to make sure that your account is secured. And a few other options below. If you have a specific chat that you would like to archive, you can archive that chat. Or, if you are done using ChatGPT and have no reason to keep the chat, you can delete all. Going back to the bottom left of the screen, you can see Upgrade Plan. Once you click on this, you have the option between 3 different plans. You have the Free, Plus, and Team. All these plans offer something unique for ChatGPT. Select one that best suits you. Once you are done, you can thank ChatGPT for its help. and it will give you a response.
Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more exciting lessons, and share this video with your fellow learners. Until next time, happy learning.